Journey begins at the awe-inspiring Orvacle Rock Garden, a masterpiece of nature's artistry. Here, centuries of geological forces have sculpted unique rock formations that resemble animals, birds, and mythical creatures, showcasing Mother Nature's unparalleled creativity.
It's located just a short 20-kilometer drive from the bustling city of Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, India. Situated right across from Kurnool Airport, along the scenic Nandyala Highway, this destination is a natural wonder that will leave you in awe. Orvakallu Rock Garden is renowned for its remarkably unique rock formations. These rocks, composed of rare silica and quartz formations, have captured the fascination of archaeologists who believe that they were sculpted by the forces of ancient volcanic eruptions. What truly sets Orvakallu apart is the incredible age of these rock formations, which date back an astonishing 3 billion years, providing visitors with a glimpse into the Earth's ancient history and making it a unique weekend getaway destination. Orvakallu is akin to a miniature Grand Canyon, delicately cradled between awe-inspiring rock formations and gracefully adorned with tranquil water bodies. Here, you have the opportunity to immerse yourself in pure bliss as you leisurely recline and indulge in the simple pleasure of gazing upon nature's untouched architectural marvels. This captivating destination is undoubtedly a heaven for adventure enthusiasts, offering a wide array of activities to satiate your adventurous spirit. The landscape features rare silica and quartz rock formations. The park is lovingly maintained and expertly managed by the Andhra Pradesh Tourism Department, who have introduced some remarkable additions to enhance its appeal. Among these is the captivating Animal Garden, which is a sanctuary for several larger-than-life metallic animal installations artfully crafted from recycled and scrapped metals. This metal animal garden stands as one of the main attractions within the park. In their dedication to providing a complete experience, AP Tourism has also developed the park to include a restaurant named Haritha at the entrance, where visitors can savor delicious meals amidst the natural beauty. Additionally, for those looking to prolong their stay and fully immerse themselves in this enchanting environment, the park offers comfortable cottages available for accommodation. This place covers a whopping almost 1,000 acres, and its history spans billions of years. It's seen quite a transformation over the ages. This place is indeed an excellent weekend getaway from the hustle and bustle of the city, allowing visitors to be truly captivated by the wonders of nature. Now, when's the best time to visit? Well, any time is a good time, but if you prefer milder weather, aim for the winter months. As for getting here, you can either fly into Kurnool Airport or take a train to Kurnool and then grab a taxi. To wrap it up, Orvakallu Rock Garden is a true wonder where nature's processes have created an enchanting landscape. It's a place that seamlessly blends natural beauty with human creativity, making it a must-visit for everyone. So, pack your bags, Prepare to witness the mystical rock formations and capture the magic of Orvakal Rock Garden for yourself.
Orvakal welcomes you with open arms, ready to unveil its timeless treasures and leave an indelible mark on your heart. Visit Orvakal. Experience Andhra Pradesh.